both know that winter is coming.
Nope, actually it's here already and it's 8 AM and I should start my day, but first I need to unsnow my van while the engine is running. Next I'm on my way to the first client and that's around 130 kilometers away, so I have sufficient time to drink my hot coffee until I arrive here. Now, this will be so much fun. And this is my patient, and I think I need to change or repair the starter motor. Yes, after I will make some room in here. Oh, it's water and ice. Lovely. Okay. This will be a little nightmare. All the problems were because of this wire, which was so corroded that it snapped away, so I've replaced it with a new one and I've started the truck. So I've changed my clothes because I was completely wet and it's a little cold outside. It started, but I will also replace that starter because we want to be 100% sure that this truck works and starts every time. But first, let's get it out from that terrible place. As soon as this truck stopped, I've started to unbolt and remove the old start. It's stuck. And after that, I've mounted a brand new one instead of that. Now this truck starts perfect. So I will drink this Coke and drive to the next client, which is 80 kilometers away from this point. And now I'm heading to the next client, which is stopped exactly in the middle of the road because his gearbox refuses to go in any gear. I know that it's a MAN truck with automatic gearbox, and suddenly the gearbox shifts out of gear to neutral and it doesn't want to go in gear. And now it's not even starting because it doesn't see the end. Yeah, the traffic there is jammed because of him. And let's see how fast I can solve this issue because it's really, really urgent. Yeah, it's a nightmare. And there's my patient sitting and waiting for me. Yeah, that guy has a really bad day. Yeah, let's see how can I get in front of him. Oh my days. This is such a bad... I think I will stop here. It's better. What a day. Sometimes doing this job can be challenging. We can get exhausted really fast. The weather can get really bad. Your van can let you down, can broke, it happens. Or you can have an accident. Every time you need to find a way to conquer the day and make it until home where your family awaits you. Now let's get back to the video and fix this truck. So first I've checked the main connector of the gearbox for corrosion, which is in the back left side of the engine. Everything was alright in here. So I've interrogated the system and I found that this fault is active.
So finally I've started, but I have these two bad faults.
At that point for me was clearly that the problem should come from the Astronic module.
Let's get this boy out.
I removed it and took it to my van where I'm sorry that I didn't capture the process, but I was too freezed and I could barely feel my hands. I discovered that the middle cylinder was completely stuck, didn't have any grease and the O-rings were terminated. I've replaced those O-rings, put some grease inside and mounted back in his place. After that I've started the engine and after the air passed 6 bars, so it's working, it's shifted to gear. Luckily the problem is solved and it's back on his road.
Finally. I'm a little bit freezed. This is a difficult day, but it's not over. I have another one, a DAF truck, same issues with the gearbox. Yeah, so the weather is getting bad. It's worse, and it's also night and also colder. And I'm getting close to my next patient, the DAF truck. I just saw him. Here's the patient. Good. A lot of snow. Great. That's interrupted wire.
So the gearbox is not powered. This is what I understand from this fault. I'm not sure exactly where's that interrupted wire, but I'll find it. Probably a plus wire it's interrupted, cause ground wires usually do not corrode.
Come on.
Oh, what do we have here? But this is too retarded.
Yes, so I got a good feeling about the interrupted plus wire, which is this red wire with the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and there's another one. And that's 1381. I immediately started to fix those wires, isolate them and zip them good. And the gearbox is awake now. But the driver stayed here a couple of hours without any heat because his diesel heater doesn't work, doesn't do anything, and he begged me to fix that for him. So I've started to remove that diesel heater and see what's wrong inside this.
What is this? Okay. Oh my god. It's a lake of diesel in here. This is a nasty thing.
I cleaned the combustion chamber as best I could, and I replaced the mesh with a new one. Now this diesel heater, it will work.
Let's put it back.
And if you want to know more about diesel heater repairs, you can check the links in this video description.
I'm done for today. This was really a hard day.
Okay, so you're here. Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. See ya!